Good evening, foodies. Tonight we are exploring
Pho City.
Pho City in South Sac. They do all kinds of Vietnamese cuisine, but something really unique that we think they do is a joined hot pot. Comes with a bunch of stuff, and it's right at your table, and we're excited for you guys to see what's in it.
How is it?
Pretty good.
What you got? So we got some spring rolls here while we wait for our hot pot. So we've got shrimp, we got pork in there, and then we got some lettuce and some vermicelli noodles in the middle, wrapped around this rice paper. So there's this peanut sauce that we dip it into. So it's got the peanut sauce and spring roll. The peanut sauce is a little sweet. They mix it with like, actually I don't know what they mix it with. Spicy sauce?
It has arrived.
We got the salmon, we got the scallops, we got fish balls, tomatoes, beef. We'll throw in the scallops. Right here. Just now plop it in. Let it cook. They gave us this like strainer thing so you can scoop up real easily. So and then we'll throw in some fish balls in there. The fish balls have some fish roe inside, so that's why it looks like that. A little fish piece. I'll pop two of them in there. We'll throw in some of this. So just give it a couple minutes and let it cook in the broth.
For me, beef is always king at any hot pot. And here, you give it a nice little roll. I like to just dip it. And I like to just let it unravel on its own. Just give it a little wiggle. Cook it to your preference. Medium is what I prefer. You know, a little medium well if you're on the safer side. And then like right into some sauce. We're good to go.
So I'm gonna try some of the soup. I don't know if you can see. A little blurry, but alright. Oh, that's hot. There's like a sweet, spicy, sour soup. Kind of like a tom yum, you know. That's really hot, but it's just the amount of right spice. So we got our bowl here. I put some rice noodle with some broth. And then we got the scallop, the shrimp, and then the beef.
Hey Lou.
What's up, guys?
So we just got done with the hot pot at Pho City. So of course we're getting dessert at half 11. So real quick, so that hot pot experience, a little different. Like I said at the beginning, They use like a tom yum style sauce or soup. So it's like spicy, sour, a little bit sweet, and everything's preset. They give you the portions according per person. So the price is $15.95 per person. Plus our spring rolls was $5 for the order. So it all came out to $39.95, I think. So $40 for 2 people. Not bad. So going over some of the included ingredients, they give you like a sliced steak, which is very ribeye-like to me. It's a good amount of fat on there.
Right, I like their cut of beef a lot.
Yeah, it's a little fatty, so it lends to the texture very well for hot pot. The head-on shrimp is good. You just gotta not overcook it. Same with the salmon and the mussels and the scallop. The tofu, not my favorite.
That's the kind of like firmer one.
Yeah, it's the medium firm tofu.
It's not
so it's not silky.
No.
So not my favorite thing, but it's okay.
I wish they gave more scallops. They literally gave us 2 of the scallops, so just a little more.
Yeah, they give you some of the basic vegetables. This time we had green peas randomly in there.
Which were actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I was skeptical because I was like, who does peas with hot pot?
Right.
But
they're crunchy, they're sweet.
Yeah.
So it was actually a surprise. The mushrooms were good.
Yeah.
The noodles, yeah, vegetables were fresh. The noodles, while I like the yellow noodle, I don't think the white noodle worked as well. Only because it broke up easily.
Well, I think they overcooked it, the noodles, but I personally like the rice noodle a little more.
Yeah. So with that, I mean, it gives you the freedom to like go in for some ingredients by themselves, and then with the noodle, with now, and you get to make your own little sauces on the side. So overall, it was a really good experience.
Yeah.
So personally, I like the preset meal a little bit, only because it kind of forces you to eat your vegetables. Because I mean, it's there, and like, you know, you can't order like the one thing you like all the time, so it forces you to be a little different.
Yeah, and I think their portions are pretty close to like perfect.
Right.
You know, we cleared everything, we ate everything, and then we were still very full.
Yeah, it's like you never leave there like stuffed, but you never leave there hungry.
Right.
This is like a very, at least for us, it's a very perfect level of like satisfaction.
I think the noodles help too, because then you can.
Yeah. So, I like it too. I think overall, I would give it 4 stars. I'd probably give it 5 if they gave us like a little more beef, just because you know, that's my thing with hot pot. Or maybe giving us the option to like choose some items over others, maybe. They're not really good with substitutions there, but maybe if you catch someone on a good day. So where is it? It is Pho City, Stockton Blvd in South Sacramento. The cross street would be like 47th Avenue and Lemon Hill, in between. Would we go back? Yes. Just because, like I said, the hot pot experience is a little different. The soup's different, so there's a whole nother like vibe when you're eating there. So we have to dig into this milk tea and that waffle. So we will check back in with you guys next time. And until then, always remember, DateAFoodie.